My name is Jerry McGee, and I'm a captain with the New Orleans Fire Department. Years ago, unfortunately, we had a hotel building collapse. Like most departments, we have these huge mobile command vehicles. We needed a smaller, capable mobile command thing instead of these huge mobile command vehicles that we have. It's being deployable. A 50-foot, 40-foot bus in a 300-year-old city with tight streets just isn't practical. And it just gives us the capability, once again, of having a mobile command at an actual incident. The plan, I guess, is just to give them to the two departments and they'll figure it out. But for the fire department in particular, we had the forested wetland fires, which we have 1 or 2 every year, and those would be great to get those out. With the police, man, it can be used at anything. So obviously being New Orleans, we host many events. We just did the Super Bowl, we have Sugar Bowl, and of course Mardi Gras. These 2 things can be deployed, and that way we'll have comms when the SWAT team or the bomb team has an activation. Fire department has been on many deployments. They've been to help doing hurricanes, tornadoes, all across, and even to Puerto Rico. This asset will give us the ability to load up some equipment, but most importantly, communication. Obviously, I have to bring up Mardi Gras. We have over 1 million tourists, sometimes concentrated in areas. And as you know, cell service can be kind of spotty. With these 2 mobile command vehicles with the mesh system, we can integrate that with our own comms, and we'll be able to, have effective communication if there is an incident.